Hey guys, if you have a bad propeller, I believe everybody has been crashed their quad. Let's say something like this. I got 5 inches prop. This is really bad, but I can repurpose it. Use it as 3 inches. Let's say, just use the old motor for your guide. Plug it in and just cut it with some scissors or anything. Let's see. There. So there's another one right here. Let's see. Another one like that. So yeah, now I got 3 inches prop for free, and there is another one here. I have this tiny quad here for 40 millimeters prop, and you know what, I got this one here is 3.5 inches, I believe MX 7, but it's been really bad. We crash it a lot, so it's time to repurpose it again. For this purpose, I will turn it into 40 millimeters small one. I'm going to use it for this quad here. I'm just using some tiny nails. You can use anything around the house. Just make sure it's not wiggle much, so that's why you get correct size. So let's say just cut it right there. That. Now I have 40 millimeters propeller for free.